Thinking about a career in the skilled trades?
Yes?
An apprenticeship might be the perfect path for you.
I was considering that option. But how do you start an apprenticeship in Ontario?
Great question. Let's break down Ontario apprenticeships. Besides being 16 or older and legally able to work here in Canada, you'll need to meet the education requirements for your trade. You also need to find someone to sponsor you.
So I need to find an employer who will train me and be my sponsor?
Exactly. An employer, individual, or a group of employers can sponsor an apprentice and provide hands-on training for a trade.
How do I find an employer sponsor to start an apprenticeship?
If you already have a job, talk to your employer about sponsoring you.
Oh, I don't have a job yet. Don't most employers want you to have some skills or experience before they hire you?
That's true, but don't worry. There are other options that eventually connect you with an employer sponsor.
Tell me more.
Mohawk College has many skilled trade certificate and diploma programs that teach you everything you need to know to get ready to start your apprenticeship.
How long are those programs?
These programs range from a 1-year certificate program to a 2-year diploma.
Does completing a skilled trades program shorten my apprenticeship?
Wow, great question. Yes, for some programs it does. In those cases, your school hours count towards your apprenticeship hours, which can significantly reduce the time it takes to complete your apprenticeship.
That's a nice perk. I also like that I would get to know different employers in the industry through my program.
It's great to get exposure to local employers. It can increase your chance of finding an employer sponsor.
That seems like a good option. What other options are there?
Mohawk College also offers the Pre-apprenticeship training program that's funded by the Ministry of Labor, Immigration, Training, and Skills Development for eligible individuals. This program covers level 1 of the in-class training for your chosen trade and is typically 12 to 18 weeks in duration.
Oh, but what if I don't qualify?
But what if you do? It's best to connect directly with Mohawk College's Apprenticeship Hub to find out. Eligibility and pre-apprenticeship training program offerings can change year to year. A quick conversation can really help point you in the right direction.
Would I meet potential employers through this program?
It's possible. The team at Mohawk College supports students to find their own work placements.
I could use all the help I can get.
Now you're thinking, I never asked if you're still in high school, but if you are, you can join OYAP.
What's OYAP?
OYAP is short for the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program. With OYAP, you'll be able to explore the trades through different co-op placements. You might be able to start your apprenticeship while you're still in high school.
That seems like a pretty great opportunity to explore options. Are there any other options for me to find an employer sponsor?
There's one last option. Although rare, some employers are willing to take on new employees without experience and sponsor them to become apprentices.
Oh, wow. How do I find these unicorn employers?
You can connect with the Mohawk College Apprenticeship Hub, and they can refer you to resources for job searching.
That sounds helpful. Maybe my first step will be connecting with the Mohawk College Apprenticeship Hub and see which pathway will get me to my goal the fastest.
There are many pathways to apprenticeship in Ontario. Mohawk College is a great way to get started on your personal journey.
Thank you, Random Voice in the Sky. This has been helpful.